Today we'll show you how to replace the heating element on a digital katana. We recommend removing the water beaker prior to starting. First, you will need to unscrew and remove the shell of the steamer. Remove all 10 screws from the top. Remove the shell. Inside the steamer, remove the thermostat, which has a white cover, and 2 black prongs. Now loosen the heating element with a one-way screw remover. Be cautious not to lose any small parts. Once the screws are off, you can remove the heating element. Grab your new heater and place it into the steamer by making sure the 3 forks make it up through the holes. Now screw in the bolts as shown. Important, when putting back the thermostat, make sure that the side that extends out is facing the center of the steamer. Put back the water beaker and tighten it up. Put the shell back on with the screws, and the digital katana is ready. Check the heating element by testing the water beaker. If the water boils, you're all set. Thanks for watching.